Okay, see students, for your exercise 12.1 we had already started and I had explained the first question. So now this is your third question. Okay, this is your third question. Okay, so it says there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with the message keep the park green and clean. So here figure 12.1, 12.10, keep the park green and clean. Okay, if the sides of the walls are 15 meters, so these are the sides of the wall, 15 meter, see here 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter and 6 meter. Find the area painted in color. Now question is saying find the area painted in color. So indirectly it is asking area of the triangle only. Find the area painted in color. So this means it is trying to say that find area of triangle indirectly. Okay, so how will you find area of triangle? So I'm starting from here. See students, solution. So by Heron's formula, okay, what is Heron's formula? By area of a triangle by Heron's formula is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c and whole under root, right? What is s? S is semi-perimeter, which is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, right? So what are the values of a, b and c? So a is equal to 15 meter, b is equal to 11 meter and c is equal to 6 meter. So a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So 6 and 1, 7 and 5, 12. 2 get it plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 32 by 2, which is equal to 16. Okay, now we will find s minus a. So s minus a is equal to 16 minus 15, which is equal to 1. S minus b. What is s minus b, students? This is the value of s, 16, right? What is the value of b? 11. So 16 minus 11 is 5. S minus c is equal to, what is the value of s? 16 minus c is 6, which is equal to 10. I hope students no doubt in this. And see, I'm repeating again, s minus a. This means what is the value of s? A plus b plus c by 2. So add this 3 sides. This is 32, right? 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 5, 12. To get it plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 32. So 32 by 2 is equal to 16. So s minus a, 16 minus a. What is the value of a? 15. 1. S minus b, 16 minus 11. S minus c is 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Very simple. So you can take this a, b or c, does not make any difference. It is not fixed that you have to take a 15. You can take a as 11, b as 6 and c as 15. Does not make any difference. Okay, now substitute in this Heron's formula. So s, what is the value of s? So area I can write here, area is equal to, what is the value of s? 16. What is the value of s minus a? 1. What is the value of s minus b? 5. What is the value of s minus c? 10. And its square root. So this is equal to 16. I can write 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. This is otherwise also perfect square, students, right? Into 1 into 5 into 2 into 5. 10 again are split as 2 into 5. So square root is studied in 8, so taking pairing 2 from here and this 5 from here into root 2, right? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. Clear, students? So this is equal to 20 root 2. Since it is in meter, so meter square. This is the area. Are you following? This is the area. So in this way you will try and solve other questions, students. Clear to? Okay, so this figure is just given for understanding. Okay, don't get afraid by seeing the figure how will be solved. No, you have to simply see the sides. Okay, what are the sides? Sides are 11 meter, right? Side is 11 meter, side is 6 meter and side is 15 meter. Substitute in this formula, Heron's formula, and simply solve. So this pairing I hope you have followed, students. 2 from here, 2 from here. So no, I will not put square root, and this one pair. So 5 from here into 2. 1 does not make any difference. Okay, so square root is studied in 8th. Okay, So simply solve. So 2 to the 4, 5 to 20, so 20 root 2 meter square. Always remember for the unit. Okay, always be careful with the unit. If the side had been centimeter, okay, if side is in centimeter, students, so area will be in centimeter square. So in this way you will solve. So easy question, nothing difficult. Just try and solve next 2-3 questions, then I will explain you more. So study well and be good students.